And just to capture the session 1, where we try to understand the basics of project management. So the presentation or the session 2 will start with the importance of project management. Now we can understand the importance of project management after session 1, basics understanding. So the project management enables organizations to execute projects effectively and efficiently. Effective project management helps individuals, groups, and public and private organizations to meet business objective. With the help of project management, we are able to meet the business objective. We are able to satisfy stakeholders' expectations. We become more predictable because what we are doing will be surfaced as a result, and we know what is an impact of what we are doing. So we become more predictable through project management implementation. We are increasing our chance of success because we are improvising. We are adding value to our business. Delivering the right product at right time. This is also very important. In project management, we are committed to deliver at the given cost, the given time, for the given scope, and with the given quality. A very common example which I always emphasize upon, that if you need a dinner at 8 o'clock in the night, and if that dinner does not comes to you, arrives you at 8 o'clock, and it arrives at 11 o'clock in the night, which is not your regular time of dinner, that delivery of dinner has no meaning for you, because you will arrange the dinner from some other source in that scenario. Similarly, project management, whatever deliveries are there committed to the customer, customer makes further follow plans, further action plans based on your schedule. So if your deliveries are not in time, the customer, because he may be adding value to it further and he will be delivering somewhere else, or he has some commitment to be fulfilled through that delivery of your project. So that delivery is very important, very effectively required to be delivered in time to the customer. Project management another importance is it resolves problems and issues, whatever existing problems are going on. So it helps you to mitigate those problems. Risk mitigation is also supported by project management, because sometimes for the expected risk of business or any nature, we do a project. It optimizes the use of organizational resources because the resources are well planned. So it is optimizing the resources of organizational resources to make it more effective and more resource sharing among the organization. Because the resource loading histogram are well prepared in project management, which clearly indicates at which point of time we'll be needing how much manpower. If your peak manpower required is 100 to execute the project, and that is a peak maybe coming at some X month of your project life cycle, but you don't need that 100 manpower today. You need maybe 20. So accordingly, within your organization, if you have those human resources, you can optimize the resource loading so that other functions of organizations can also work accordingly without adding an additional resources which are idling for a couple of months. Identify, recover, or terminate failing projects. That is also very important. The importance of project management is not to only keep doing the project. If that project is not meeting your objective anymore now, once you take a review, you're done a planning, you're done a feed, that means you're done an engineering for the project, correct? And during that phase, you come to know that that objective is no longer exist. So terminate the project. Why to invest the money? Even you started the execution of the project and you realize project sponsor and project owner and project manager, they realize that this project is no more required now. Stop the project. Don't make the further losses. Project management manages the constraint. This is very important thing. I said that scope, quality, schedule, cost, and resources. So these are all the constraints which are taken care in the project execution. At the same time, adjustment order to the contract, variation order to the contracts, which may be coming because of stakeholders' scope change. Stakeholder needs something to be added, something to be deleted. Correct? So those management of change also dealt in the project management. So you are not rigid. You are ready to accept the changes. Okay. You are ready to accept the changes through management of change procedure to accommodate the change in scope, cost, or schedule parameters or the constraints of the project management.